the Indian Nurse YouTube channel. In this episode,
I'll be dealing Nursing Foundation subject in that Unit 6 Documentation and Reporting. If you new this channel, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for more nursing educational videos.
let's start.
List down types of records in hospital. Hospital records are broadly classified into 4 categories based on the area of usage. They are patient's clinical record, individual staff records, ward records, and administrative records with educational value. Now we'll see one by one. Patient's clinical record. In this record, nurse's note, medication record, progress notes, physician order sheet, and graphic sheet will involve. Individual staff record, it is related to the staffs, and ward record. In this, circular record, rounds book, duty roster, ward indent book, patient's assignment record, etc. And administrative record with educational value. In this, treatment register, admission and discharge register, personal performance register, procedure manual, birth and death record. So, this is about the types of records in the hospital. While you are writing for the 2 marks, it is asked only list down the types of records in the hospital, so you can give the side headings. Next question, what is incident report? Definition: incident, an event that occur which has the potential to cause serious personal injury or damage to health or to property. One more definition, the nurse who witnessed the incident or who found the client at the time of incident should fill the report. While reporting, following points are kept in mind. First one, the nurse should describe in a concise what happened, specifically objective terms, etc. No nurse is blamed in an incident. The report submitted as soon as possible to the appropriate authority. Next we'll see the types of incident: falling from bed, needle stick injury, burns, drug or medication error, misidentification of patient, etc. So here also same thing, it is asked what is a incident report. So first definition I was given what is mean by incident, and second definition I was given about incident report. So you can write here for the 2 marks only second definition and you can list down the types. Next question, differentiate records and reports. So first we'll see about the records. Records, it is a literature or documentation. It is written or typing form. It is a permanent document. Example, X-ray record. It is maintained for future and it is a long term. Whereas report, it is a verbal. It is face-to-face communication. It is a temporary. For example, telephone calls. It is not maintained for future and it is a short term. So, these were the 5 differentiation between records and reports. Next question, 4 guidelines for reporting. So first we'll see the definition of reports. Reports are oral or written exchange of information shared between caregiver given in a number of ways. So guidelines of reporting. Reports are factual, accurate, complete, correct, organized, confidentiality, clear, client-oriented, and comprehensive. So these were the guidelines of reporting. Next question, what is transfer report? First we'll see the definition of transfer report. A transfer report involves communication of information about clients from the nurse on sending unit to nurse on the receiving unit. While giving transfer request, nurse should include following information: client name, age, primary doctor and medical diagnosis, summary of medical progress up to the time of transfer, correct health status, any clinical assessment, need for any special equipments while shifting, all lab investigation, all the medical notes and physician's order. Clients, all the information should be written clearly and handed over to the receiving unit. So, these were the points we have to keep it in mind while transferring the patient to one unit to another unit. But here they were asked only transfer report for the 2 marks. So, here you can write what is the definition of transfer report and 2-3 guidelines, you can write it over here.